I'm Tom Mensch, and I'm Director of Computing at Bartlit, Beck, Herman, Palenchar, and Scott. Bartlit Beck is a firm founded in 1993, and we have two offices, our Denver location and our Chicago office. We've been a NetDocs customer for about 5.5 years now. We moved to NetDocuments from iManage, and the reason we moved off of iManage, for iManage at the time, they were going through a major revision of the software and a major revision of the user interface. And we felt at the time that as long as we were going to change the user interface for the end user anyhow and change how it worked for them, we might as well look at other software out there. What we really liked about the NetDocuments at the time was the internet hosted. And we thought that that would be a good thing for the firm. We've always been a portable firm, always worked off notebooks exclusively for the professionals. So we thought we'd give it a try. Unfortunately, or fortunately for us, we had a crash of iManage probably the weekend we decided to go with NetDocuments. And so it was a big scramble to get something back and running. We had the data back Wednesday, and we decided that day to just ship the disks to NetDocuments and load them up and get ready. We started the NetDocuments conversion on Friday afternoon from the iManage SQL databases. Monday morning at 10 a.m., we started training in my Denver office, and we were up and running. About noon, most people were able to get into the software, were able to use it. We translated the rest of our documents the next weekend, Friday night through Sunday, and by Monday morning, we were training in Chicago, and our whole firm was using NetDocuments on Tuesday. I've been a hosted services user now at the firm for 15 years on different services. I'm very comfortable with NetDocuments security, and they have a high level of security, and we have a high level of confidence in the security they provide us. I do have a copy through the NetDocuments local document server of every document that we have on NetDocuments, and it's updated on an hourly basis. So if something should happen, lightning should strike both their facilities at the same time, I can get to every one of my documents and still have a copy of every one of my documents. That said, I've run the local document server for 5.5 years since the day we started up, and have never had to use it to get to documents. I've had to check it periodically to make sure the documents were synced up, and we've looked at it for other type of projects, but I've never once lost service where I had to go and use my local document service to get at our documents. We've been pretty happy with our NetDocuments experience. It gives us the portability we want. It also gives us the flexibility to share documents and to share collections of documents with our co-counsel and with our clients. And we use that rather effectively around here.